First campaign was on the Aragera Spur. We fought down there, down that way, and we got down to Mongdo, you see, and that's when the Japs chased us back. We got outnumbered, you know. Fear was the main thing, you know. You didn't know where you were going. Everybody was the same, I think, you know. We were all in the same state of mind. The idea was to get in and get out. Well, I didn't see much of them, you know, because most of the time they were in the distance. They were as frightened of us as we were of them, you know. we put up a good fight against them, and they'll tell you that themselves. Yeah. Kohima, we got stopped there with East Kents. When we got up there, the place was littered with them, dead bodies, you know. And it was the East Kents that did that. And from there, pushed them all back. Not nice, though. I just thought, what a shame. That guy, he's got a family, you know, somewhere. And that's what used to go in my mind. You see young Japanese guys lying dead, you know, for no reason, you know, really.
I'm pleased to hear my dad talk about the Japanese in a human way, that, you know, they were just young men. And I think that's really important. And I think it's important that we actually tell these stories to understand how difficult it must have been for people to actually go through the war at that time. And I think we have to keep moving towards the idea that war is a thing of our past. And I think having stories like my dad's stories is a good reminder. We mustn't go back there again.